Mix and match book. The mix and match book includes various characters, situations, feelings, and responses. The goal is to flip through and explore various combinations to determine how they make you feel and how you're likely to respond. For example, if your tuition teacher puts you on his lap, you may feel uncomfortable and you may say, "I don't like it. Please put me down." Later, you may decide to go up to a person on your safety network and tell them about it. You could also act out how you would inform a safe adult using the puppets you created as part of your grown up safety network. This exercise equips the child with the vocabulary to respond in concerning situations. It also helps you understand that the same situation can generate different feelings depending on the person involved. So, you must trust your instinct and recognize how you feel.